To check your transaction history on eBay, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the eBay platform to find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Ensure that you are using the correct credentials to access your account securely. Step 2. Go to My eBay. Once logged in, locate the My eBay option, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your account dashboard, where you can manage your purchases and sales. Step 3. Select Purchase History. In the My eBay section, look for the Purchase History link. This will take you to a detailed list of all your transactions, including items you have bought and sold. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date, type of transaction, or status. Use the filtering options available to narrow down your search and find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review transaction details. Click on any transaction to view more details, such as item descriptions, payment status, and shipping information. This will give you a comprehensive view of each transaction in your history. Now you can easily check your transaction history on eBay whenever you need to. This process helps you keep track of your buying and selling activities effectively.